YouTube. What's good, man?
No.
Look at my.
Mama,
Wait, do the
somebody
dance.
get
Do the
out.
dance. Do the dance. Do it. Just do it.
No. You ugly fat tall face.
I was trying to get you to dance and show them the thing. How you
Right,
feeling?
get
How you feeling, bro?
out.
Why
Okay,
you
start
acting
over.
like that?
Start over so I can get energy.
YouTube.
No, not like.
YouTube. What's good, man? It's your boy Sam, aka Prince 700, and I'm here with who this is.
No, see, no, I'm not video.
Who's this?
I'm not video.
Man, look at her picture. That's really what I try to say.
Oh, you sick too, twin?
No, I'm not sick, man. I'm always denying sickness, especially if y'all talking about the doctor. Hey, man, as y'all can see, man, I done got a cut yesterday. I really can't even see that much because I ain't brushed my head. I get a cut and just live. Ooh. This side always like it ain't brushed. But yeah, I'm probably finna sneak and call my mama. She finna go to Walmart. So I'm finna go with her to Walmart. And we should find her purse. And we're gonna get the sewing machine. And when we get the sewing machine, we finna go.
The news, green and red beam on the Glock, but I chase you too. Yeah, she got that pussy up for free, but I raped her.
Because you know I've been rocking unsold stacks, but don't tell nobody. They have not been sold, as y'all can see. I'm gonna show y'all, they've been right here. These the Panthers for them. So just know, you're finna get them right. Finna get them right. So just make sure y'all stay locked in. I gotta finish on these clothes and all this. Put all my shoes up there. You know what I'm saying? Yep.
How many in there?
It's 4 in the pack.
Mama, tell him what just happened. Tell him what just happened. Mom, come here, Mom.
Is that 4 and 2, right? Let me see. 4.
Look at my
Let
mama,
me see
y'all.
4 and 2.
Hold up. My little dance. Mama, you finna go? You know I got my wallet. All right, we finna try to cut the sewing machine, man. See, stay tuned. I'm messing with it a little bit in the car, too. Bro, don't know I counted my cookies, so I know how many cookies I got. Watch this. We have made it to the plaza. I'm finna look at a couple shoes. I'm finna walk in Hibbits. And yo, I'll do that. There we go. I'm out here picking his ass. What up, boy? What's up? No, I'm just looking right now. Look at Maurice. Look at these shoes. See what's in here. I don't know. Oh, damn, restocked. I thought these was Ricks for a couple seconds. Hey, from a distance, these look like Ricks. But no, buddy, these are not Ricks. Bro, I was supposed to be getting some more Ricks, bro. My Ricks got canceled. So I went on a refund before I buy any more shoes. I'm waiting on a refund before I buy any more shoes. Do y'all like these? Tell me if y'all like these. I do not like this part. I don't like that. I like, what are they at? I like the 2002s. I like these more. So, but let me show y'all. Show y'all my next purchase. Y'all know I actually got some blazers. I think I showed y'all. I don't know when the video's dropping, but these might be my next car. In this colorway. Cause I got the navy blue colorway. What else? I don't think I'm gonna get no high top blazers. That's just not me. Ain't really nothing else in. I was gonna get these too. I was gonna get these like Christmas time. I was about to get these, but I ain't get them. And those are just ugly. I hate them shoes with a passion. I don't see too much. Yeah, I don't see too much on the Nike side, but definitely looking at the blazers. I'll come back for the blazers. Ooh. Hey, I need to get some of these. Everybody send me $1 so we can get these. Need 110, 100 people. We got 600 subs. We need 110 people to send me these. I'm gonna get a discount anyway. So, send me that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all got points. If y'all got good points at Hibbits, give me y'all points, man. Tell me y'all phone numbers. I'm gonna add points on it. Let me get it, y'all, when we get to another store. Hey, check these. The girls be having the best shoes in here, bro. They got all types of. They would not have these in there. I wouldn't wear these though.
can say, when you smoke water, you gonna pick them up.
Walmart. You said what?
Water.
Okay, we gonna grab these. Man, my mama got me in the store looking for breakfast sandwiches. I grabbed sausage and biscuit. I guess that's the same thing. But I sound sick. I sound mad sick right now. What she got? These good? Perfect. Let me tell y'all something, bro. She got me walking around with all this stuff. I came here to go to the sewing machine, the fabric aisle, and she got me pushing buggies while she on the phone walking, talking comfortably. Ugh, why I say it like that? Comfortably. She walking, talking comfortably, and smiling. We going down here?
It was beautiful.
On that. She on the phone now. She don't even want to rape me. She can't even look at me. Wait, that didn't come out. Am I beautiful, y'all?
I started feeling bad.
There you go. Race me. Mark. Go. So, tell speed up, son. Tell speed up, son. Tell her get her speed up. Worldwide, mega size, best cereals in the world.
I can't wait to open.
No,
I
Mom.
didn't want to open.
No,
it,
no,
but
no,
they're
no, no.
my-
I'm not gonna get
What?
get Fruit Loops
I want them for me.
for her. They gonna be here for her until August, and it's January. Like last time we did the hide and seek in here, that was lit.
Shit, I'm about to go get back in this thing. I'm hurting.
Look at it.
Oh
at-
shit!
look
I
at
can't get in the bed. I gotta do these babies. Her, they got pictures tomorrow.
Mm.
Yep, I showed them. They got pictures tomorrow.
Up here, Mom. Oh yeah, get that one. Get that one. Yeah.
I'm sorry. I ain't
Yeah, look at my sofa. She driving me and she pushing the buggy. No, I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to the I'm trying to get to. I don't know where I'm trying to get to. I don't know where my mama just went, but I'm looking for the sewing machines, and I can't seem to find them. Oh no, I know exactly where they at. They by the fabrics. Finna go back up here. Hopefully they have the one I'm looking for, because I ain't finna spend $200 on the sewing machine not right now. So we record. Finna look. I'm looking. I see the cutters. See the sewing machines, bro. They somewhere over here, bro. I'm not finna. Oh my gosh. I look like a dang on. Excuse me. That's the fabrics. See them the fabrics. They gotta be somewhere right here, bro. I don't know where it's at. And that hoodie hard. Okay, this be throwing me off. All right, we looking. Do I want to buy this one? I buy this one right now. This is the one I need. I need this one, or if this one, look. So I buy it. Am I going to buy extra string or something? I feel like I'm gonna need to buy extra string. What y'all think? Should I get it? Tell me in the comments below, should I get it? I will hide it and come back and get it. But how many? The thing I be thinking about is how many patterns it got. Hey, it's gonna be a good investment. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get it. Bro, I'm finna go broke. I need to see, do it come with I need to see, do it come with what's her name? Sewing machine. Can't you open it and see what all's in it? Okay, what comes in it right here? Somebody baby come. We do have the, you know what I'm saying? We do have the sewing machine with the sewing thread in there. So we're gonna get home, we're gonna probably set this up. And let's go conclude the vlog. Which way we going? This is a fully loaded, what's the name? But we got this, we got the thread, got everything we need. So now, tap in, we finna start selling the stacks. So y'all stay tuned. Like and subscribe, I'll get to y'all when I'm at the crib. So we have made it back to the house, man. I ain't gonna lie, my room is kind of a mess, but I just want to show y'all this. I don't think I'm gonna do an unboxing video right now. Well, this vlog, I'm gonna make it a different video. And then I'm gonna make a video of how to make stack pants or whatever else y'all want me to stitch together. But as y'all can see, we got a new sewing machine. Yeah, that's gonna conclude the video, man. I'm finna get ready to do all this stuff. We just made groceries. I'm finna get ready for school. So I'll see y'all in the next video. It might be this same day. You never know. Looking at myself through the mirror. Okay. Man, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all want to see in the comments. And we out. Let's go.
Pick up and roll up and pop me a pill. Hold me up a cup, I pulled out the seal. In the trap, nigga trying to make some deals. Everybody know I'm trying to make some meals.